Episode 26: Xavier's Influence on the Spread of Christianity in India. Hello, everyone. In this episode, we explore St Francis Xavier's significant influence on the spread of Christianity in India. Xavier's mission work and influence played a pivotal role in the growth and expansion of Christianity in various regions and communities across the country. Xavier's broader impact on Christianity in India. St. Francis Xavier's arrival in India in 1542 marked the beginning of a remarkable chapter in the history of Christianity in the country. His mission and influence had a profound impact on the growth and development of the Christian faith. Establishment of Christian communities. Xavier's efforts led to the establishment of Christian communities across various regions in India. His missionary work involved preaching, teaching, and baptizing converts, contributing to the growth of a thriving Christian community. Influence on coastal regions. Xavier's mission was particularly influential in the coastal regions of India. Areas such as Goa, Kerala, and the Coromandel coast experienced significant growth in Christianity due to his dedicated efforts. Impact on Goa. Goa stands out as a region profoundly influenced by Xavier's mission work. His efforts in establishing Christian communities and his educational initiatives played a crucial role in shaping the Christian identity of Goa. Influence on Kerala. Kerala was another region greatly impacted by Xavier's mission. His influence contributed to the growth of Christianity in this region, which remains a significant part of Kerala's religious landscape. Communities in the Coromandel coast. Xavier's mission work had a lasting impact on the communities along the Coromandel coast. His efforts led to the establishment of Christian communities that became integral to the region. Promotion of Christian values. Xavier's mission went beyond establishing communities. He actively promoted Christian values, emphasizing education, social welfare, and spiritual development, which contributed to the growth and influence of Christianity. Enduring Christian legacy. Xavier's influence continues to resonate through the generations, contributing to the enduring Christian legacy in various regions of India. His missionary endeavors remain an integral part of India's religious landscape. St. Francis Xavier's influence on the spread of Christianity in India was substantial. His mission work, particularly in regions like Goa, Kerala, and the Coromandel coast, contributed significantly to the growth and establishment of Christian communities, leaving an enduring legacy in India's religious history. Thank you for joining me for this episode. Xavier's influence in spreading Christianity across various regions in India remains an integral part of the country's diverse religious tapestry.